Hi, welcome to a new day and a new video. And how are you guys doing today? So today we're going to be doing as usual. We're going to be working on these sounds here. Permit me to ask, how has it been? How has this journey been with you? Today is actually the 4th day of the 31 days pronunciation journey, and I hope you guys have been finding it interesting. So without wasting much of our time, in case you're seeing me for the first time, this is what we do here. Right here we learn how to read, write and speak. At the moment we are on a 31 days pronunciation journey, and today is actually the 4th day, and you're so welcome to the channel. And if you like what we do here, you can simply join the channel simply by subscribing, and when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button. In that way you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing and keep being amazing. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into today's lesson. So today we're going to be working with the ens, ans, ens, ans, ens, ans. So we're going to be working on this alphabetically like we have been doing. Don't forget, the essence of we doing this is for us to get the sounds, okay? And like I said, the sounds we are getting here can easily appear at the beginning of a word, in the middle of a word, or at the end of a word, okay? So once we are able to get these sounds right, we can easily pronounce words. Okay, so let's see. Alphabetically, the very first one I'm going to go with, as usual, is the B. I have beans, and here I have buns, beans, buns. This is the ens and the ans. Okay, so we have the cans, cans. We have the dance, dance. We have the fins, fans. The G, jeans. We have the G here, guns. Now the H, hands. H right here, hands. And I, ends, ans. Okay, the next one we have K, canes, cans. We move to L, lens, lance. We move to M, men's, men's, man's, man's. We move to N, nens, nens, nans, nans. Now to P, pens. Right here, pants. We have beans, we have pants, pens, pants. Okay, we move to the next one, the Q. We have queens, and we have quans. Are we together? Don't forget, this is ens and this is ans. Ens, ans. This is an plus ce. You have ans, ans. Okay, and right here we have the ends. So we are working on it alphabetically. So we are Q right now. So we move the R. We have rains, rains. We have rams. This is baka, dafa, gaha. Okay, this is queens, runs, queens, rains. Okay, so after R we have S, we have sense, 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 and we have sans, 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 sense, sense. Okay, and we move to T, tense, 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 and we have sans For instance, you have acceptance, tans. Okay, we move to the next one. V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we move, we have viens, and right here we're going to have vans, right? Viens, vans, viens, vans. We have advance, okay? Adherence, okay? So let's move to the next one. We have the whens, whens, whens. We have the ones, ones. We have the siens, the sians, yens, yans, zens, zans. Are we good? So let's see, let's pronounce them accordingly. So we have bens, bens, bans, sense, cans, sense, cans, dance, 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 fence, fans, fence, fans, gens, guns, gens, guns, gens, guns, hens, hands, hens, hands, ears, 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 ears. We omitted J, so we're gonna add it right here. We have gens, we have jans. Okay, let's go. So we stopped at those places, so we move to here. We have kiens, kiens, cans, cans, cans. We have liens, liens, lance, lance. We have miens, miens, mans, mans, miens, miens, mans. So we move to niens. This is ni, niens, mi, miens, ni, niens, mans, nans, mans, nans, ma, na, la, ka. Okay, this is cans, lians, mans, nans. All right, we move to the P. We have piens, piens, piens. We have pants, pants, pants. All right, we move to the next one. The Q. This is Q. We have it as Q. It is the Q sound. We have quens, quens, and we have quans, quans. We have the R, rains, rains. We have runs, runs. The next one we have sense, sense, sense. We have sons, sons. This is the sa, ra, qua, sons, sons. Okay, we move to the T. We have tens, tens, tens. We have tons, tons, tons. Okay, don't forget, some of the combinations we have here are not meaningful. Okay, we're just trying to get the sounds right. All right, so let's move. The next one we have the V, viens, viens, and we move to vans, vans, vans. And now to the W we have wiens, we, the we sound, wiens, wiens, and we have once, once. This is the wa sound, va, wa, once, once. And we move to the X sound, the X and not the S, X, S. We have the science sound, science, and we have the science sound, science, 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 science. Okay, so we move to the Y sound, yens, yens, yans, yans. Okay, this one is ziens, 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 Zans, Zans, Zans. And we have the one we left out here, the J, Jens, Jens, Jens. And we have Jans, Jans, Jans. Okay, so let's go over this again. Bens, sense, dense, fence, gens, hence, yens, kens, lens, mens, nens, pens, whence, rents, sense, tense, vents, whence, sense, yens, zens, gens, gens. Okay, we move to the A. We have buns, cans, dance, fans, guns, hands, yens, cans, lance, mans, nans, pans, quans, runs, sans, tans, vans, once, ziens, yens, zans, gens, gens, gens. Okay, so we have this list of words to see how this sounds matches them. So let's pronounce them together. We have circumference, 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 difference, 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 cadence, 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 credence, 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 affluence, 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 resilience, 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 inference, 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 dependence, 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 existence, 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 acceptance, 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 allowance, 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 arrogance, 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 ambulance, 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 accordance, accordance, accordance. So we have circumference, difference, cadence, credence, affluence, resilience, inference, experience, dependence, existence, acceptance, allowance, arrogance, ambulance, accordance. Okay, so you can see how we have the rens, rens, dens, dens, yens, yens, rens, yens, diens, yens, tans, once, guns, lance, jans. You can see how they appear at the end of all these words. Okay, so it is very important we know how these are being pronounced, and with that we're going to get most of the words pronounced right. Okay, all right, so we're going to be calling it short today at this junction. This is what we're going to be calling it short for today's video, and I actually believe you learned one or two out of today's lesson. Don't forget to keep staying safe, take good care of yourself. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.